Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to change name on TikTok before 7 days. First, open the TikTok application on your mobile device. Here, go to your profile from the bottom right corner. Then, go to Edit Profile. After that, go to Username. To show you, I'm changing the username for the first time. Enter the name you want to add. Here, hit the Save button and tap Confirm. Now, I'm repeating the same process to show you the solution. As you can see, it says I can only change the name after 7 days. To solve this problem, go back and tap on Menu. Here, go to the Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap on Report a Problem. Then, go to the Account and Profile. After that, select the option of Editing Profile. From the list, select the option of Updating Name. Select the option of No. Then select the option of Need More Help. Here you need to type the problem you're facing. Type that you changed the name mistakenly and now the name is incorrect, which you want to change. Once you're done, click on Done and submit your report. The TikTok team will soon resolve your problem. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.